Thank you, Chloe! Nakakalula. Hindi pwede mga trentahin dito. Bali, look. That's Annie's guys!
Ayun o, Peter. Boring.
Ayan, tapos ngayon lumipat naman sila dito sa time zone.
Pagkatapos sa time zone, dito naman roller skates.
Oh yeah, convention. I forgot about the convention.
Yeah, I have more Ita bags. Oh, you have to tell the Ita bags. I have more Ita bags now.
Wait, this is like Gabby.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like Gabby.
It's like Gabby's. Thank you, Chloe.
Okay, so I got that. Yeah,
It's a blind box. I got a blind box. Wait, can I already open this?
yeah.
What do you want? Oh my god. What do you want? The pink one.
Can I see it?
You have to open it and close your eyes. Do that. Just put it up. This reminds me of the whole thing. Wait, can I see what you put here? No, you ruined the surprise. It reminds me of Homura. She's so cute. See? It's better. Look at the quality. Look how good. I thought it would be matte. See, it looked like it would be matte.
It's
okay.
okay.
Yes, very much.
Can you hurry up? How is it?
Why are you so slow? You're taking so long to open. I'm trying to remove it, okay? Wait, I'm confused. Why are you so slow? I can't open it. How hard is it? Whoa! What is that? What is that? You did? You got her a blind box. Oh, cute! Oh, it's not a blind box. Oh yeah, thank you for the idea because I've been using a handmade box by Mia.
Okay.
Thank you for the idea. Thank you so much, Chloe. You two are kind.
I want mommy first.
Mami first.
Mommy first. Iba lasa pag ako sinubo na.
Kamusta pickleball?
Sayo. Nakaka-addict pero sobrang nakakapagod. Na-addict ka kasi sa tunog.
Ganun. Iba talaga siya sa badminton.
Iba. Mas more on tennis. Ganun. Pero mas magaan kasi paddle. Sa tennis iba racket. Mga ano, mabigat. Marami ng court ngayon. Kalat-kalat eh. Sa mga mall meron na eh. Dito nga baka meron eh. Para
Kaya nyo yan?
sa mga ano South Mall, may mga ano na katabi ng mga bowling.
Tennis na ganyan before.
Hindi, wala akong pa-sports.
Wala sports yan.
Wala.
So, madali lang siya.
Siguro.
Siguro kasi nakakatama siya.
Parang 80 years old na siya. 80, pero syempre, ano-ano lang siya yung Ako talaga, wala akong background kahit Jackstone lang ako.
Nakita ko siya. Sabi ko, abo.
Pero ano, lakas
Yung day one, ano pa eh, joke eh.
Oo.
ayun si ano, Summer. Hi, Summer. Natigil lang po.
Oo, hindi. Diyan lang ako.
Okay.
Iniwan ko na yan.
wala kasing field trip.
Strictly no jumping, running, or playing inside the museum for us to avoid any damages and injury. Cost of minimum 5,000 pesos. So yun po. If may iwan po kayong gamit, pwede pong iwan natin dyan sa...
Sige, okay na. 5,000 na. Walang maghaharutan sa loob.
Ayan na. Mauna kayo.
This is the so basic starts.
Wow.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Wow. Nice.
Wala, may black hole. Oh. Okay na. May kigulo na. Oo.
Guys, nakakalula. Hindi pwede mga trentahin dito.
Paglabas ko, ito parang gumagan na.
Di ba? Parang sumasabay ka kasi sa galaw. Parang ganda. Ganda. Para tayo nag-field trip talaga nito. Hold mommy, hold mommy. May stair. Uy, nakakahilo talaga. Pa, may mga ano daw stair dito. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda! Nice!
Why is that moving? It's just it's like a TV. See, it's not moving. It's just a shadow. Go, kay ate. Bag. Go na dun. Gusto mo may bag? Okay.
No jumping. 5,000. 5,000. Ang cute ng effect. Ang cute. Ha?
Pinagkaisa niya.
My turn.
Look, it's a...
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay.
Hindi ko lang maliwanag.
Oo. Yan. O, go na. Wow! Let's go! Ayun, nandun sila, oh.
Okay, smile. One more.
One, two, three. Don't move. One, two, three. Okay, one, two, three. Ollie, picture. Ollie, smile. One, two, three.
Lalabas doon ata.
Baka, ay, oo, yung mga ano, you know.
Tingin ka ng paper ni Oli.
Sige.
Let's go, Oli.
Why is it so basic? Not just basic.
Damihan mo pa, Louie, para ano, ayun, oh, para pag lumabas doon, kitang-kita.
Lagay niyo yung name niyo.
Yan na. Wow, good job.
Hold it, hold it.
Smile, Oli. Look at mommy. Okay.
Wait mo yung car mo, Oli.
3, 2, 1.
Look, Oli, look, look, look. That's Oli's car! Yay! Ayun ang car ni Oli. Say bye-bye, car. Ayun! Wow! Yeah! Ayun! Wow!
go. Ah, bato. Ah, nagbabago. Pag mababa, nagkaka-blue. Tama mo, maglagay ka dito ng medyo mababa. Di ba? Ah, okay. Akala ko may sensor. Louie, Louie, Louie. Ollie, 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 Olivia, Olivia, Olivia. Ayun oh. Lumalabas din po ang sinasabi mo. Lumalabas. Sa yellow ka. Ayesha. 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 Ayun oh. Nasa blue. Yung blue.
Ako. Ano mo?
Ayun oh. Peter. Make some words.
Mas maano siya. Let's make it lang. Si Robin.
Robin! Ah! Bagay. Oh!
Puno na daw.
Napagod.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Go. Boring.
Robin!
Say 6, 7.
Why am I? I'm a boy! I'm a boy! What is you? What do you like? What is you? Yeah, I'm a Chinese. Let's make everything green. Oh! You guys actually didn't notice this one, yeah?
Oli, look at your feet. Oh, walk. Look at your feet. Walk doon.
Ano yung cellphone?
Oo nga, no. Wow. Oo nga, no. Dito pala.
Ay, Daddy?
Ah, dito pala eh.
No, you moved it.
I move it.
Dito ka pa.
Oh, Koreana na. Ayan.
Ah, dito more on ano, parang anime.
Oh. Pixelate. Cube. Look at my feet. Oli, stay here. You know, dun sa circle. So you can do that. Oh. Oh, again. Hindi na detect si Oli eh. Tara. Ilaw.
Ollie, look. Ollie.
Nasa loob lang sila ay tsaka yung friends niya. Kumuha kami nito. Tigi-isa sila ng copy. Meron palang ganito. Ayan. Mood it.
Uy.
Again. Again, kiss ate. Kiss ate, please. Ay, naku ka! Bata ka! Ayan, tapos ngayon lumipat naman sila dito sa time zone.
Ayan. Ha? Tatlo. Yan, 577. Ay, di bumalik.
Ha?
Isa pa.
Hindi ba 100?
Hindi.
Ha?
Pag pangalawang spin mo, like 40 naman. O, pangalawa. Ayaw, gusto spin daw.
Spin ko naman na.
Kailangan mo siguro spin. Yan. Ayaw nyo naman mabagal.
Oy! Bakit naman ganun? 12 pa rin akala ko 40.
Isa pa. Ang gulo naman. Tara, hindi ko mag-
One life left. Make it count. Ha! Well, I got you. You lose.
Okay, dito naman tayo. Pagkatapos sa time zone, dito naman roller skates.
It keeps on falling. Oh, I thought it was because it was too short.
Ayan, dinner naman kami dito ngayon sa Kabalen. Let's go na!
We don't have to meet at the bar, getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what moves you most. What's your favorite film? Would you quit being alone to be with me?
Ang haba! Yay! Picture muna, picture! 1, 2, 3. Smile! Yay!
Permanent snow like
Bili lang kami ng paddle and model.
Elongated din.
Kuha lang ako.
Ito yung nakikita ko, pang side, tsaka pang linis. Ito ah.
Bili ka nga rin ito.
Pare-pares lang ba tong mga ganito?
Yung malalaki yung holes, yung indoor.
Indoor. Ah, ito outdoor.
Outdoor pag mga maliliit export.
May mga ganun-ganun pa pala, no? Wow! You have a paddle!
Sabi niya kasi, she wants a small paddle. Eksakto, pag bumili kami ng Pro na Yula, may free mini paddle.
Mahal din ah. Ang freebies ah. Ilang 1,000.
Oh, mahal. Wow, you have a paddle na, Oli!
Wow.
Yay! Oh, yabang oh.